Hey, welcome to the show. I just got a new phone case in from Andobil. This is for the iPhone 15 Pro Max here. And let's take a look at this. Right away, they give you a nice cleaning cloth right here, just like that. I like that. It's always very useful. And let's go ahead and take a look at this. Ooh, we're excited here to see what this looks like. Oh my goodness, look how clear this case is. Beautiful. This has I really like the texture of this. Look at that. Beautiful case right here. Take a look at this. If your phone was in there, you would be able to see that super clear. So why not? You can show off your new phone. And then right here, this is a kickstand. So you can open that up. And you can also swivel this around. This is so cool. I love it when they can swivel around like that. So you can put your phone, you can put it on the desk like this. You can have it, facing vertical. Or if you want to, you can have it facing horizontal, just like that. And also, sometimes people will put their fingers in there when they're talking on their phone, so it will not fall out of your hands. Let's take a look at some of the other buttons on the top right here. Nice and smooth. I don't know if you can see that little texture inside there, but it's really cool. Here's the button right there. Nice metallic button on the side and then the bottom. Beautiful around the side here. I like that on the side of the camera where the camera lens goes, there's a nice bevel, so if you put your phone down here, it won't scratch up your camera lens. And it looks like it's a nice high side around this part here. In the hand, this is nice harder plastic, but you have a nice, a little bit softer plastic right here, a non-slip grip. Feels great. You know what this is? This attaches to a MagSafe, like let's say you have something in your car that holds your phone. Nice tight seal. Golly, that's working great. Oof, gotta really pull that out. That's nice because you do not want your phone to slip off of that magnet there. So beautiful. I really like that. It's just I like that silver lining around here. It just makes it very classy. And the fact that you can open this up and that you can spin this around. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Hey, this phone case is going to look great on your new iPhone Pro 15 or iPhone 15 Pro, and you'll be able to show it off. They'll be able to see right through this beautiful case right here. I'm liking it. Hey, check out this company. I think you're going to really like their products. Customer support, super. And yeah, great phone case for your new iPhone 15 Pro. Hey, have a great day, and we'll talk to you later. Adios. Goodbye.